Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back. So before I get into anything, shout out to y'all for getting us to 100 subs. Y'all are some real ones. I think we're like at 106 or something right now. That's awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you. Next milestone is 1,000. So we gonna buckle up and let's get it, man. Let's get it. Today's vlog has nothing to do with handball, but I thought y'all would find it funny. So yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all. Boom. Yeah, what's good with y'all boys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. We accidentally locked our keys in the car right there. And so we're gonna try and like break into our own car. I just looked up online how to make a slip knot. So here's our knot. I'm gonna try and get this knot inside the door and see if we can pull the lock up, man. The lock is one of these nub locks. I'll show y'all that. Y'all know how to break into my car. Alright, so you know what I'm realizing, y'all? I can't get the shoelace into the crack of the door well enough, so we're at a little like wall type thing. I'm gonna try and go in one of these stores, probably this beauty supply store, and I'm gonna see if I can't get like some sort of metal something that I could like pry the door open a little bit and get this knot into the door. Alright, y'all, so we just left this beauty supply store. They didn't have like any hard metal or anything in there, but she went to the back and brought me a screwdriver. So I'm gonna try and like use this to like wedge the door a little bit. Like it kind of has like some anti-theft technology on it. It's like the door doesn't just, it's not just straight onto the car. Like if this is the door and this is the roof, the door like kind of goes under it. It like goes up and under. If you know what I mean. You guys know what I mean. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this, y'all. I'm wedging my window down. Imagine it just shatters. This girl is, she's getting frustrated because the car in front of her is not moving at all. But, yeah, who knows, man. People be slow, but look at this. The lace is getting in there. I wish I had like a second screwdriver to like shove the lace in. Just try and jab it in there. That's what he said. Oh, it's in there. How it's gonna get right onto the lock is the part that I can't see happening at all, if I'm being honest. See, y'all, miracles happen. Y'all, this is so silly, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, when I left work today, I was like, what am I do when I get home today? Am I gonna edit some videos? Am I like gonna play some video games? Am I gonna watch some anime or something? No, I'm gonna be locked out of my car and trying to freaking put a shoelace in the damn window. They got cops up behind me. I feel like somebody calling the cops on me right now, yo. There's a 6'11", dark-skinned black male breaking into a Honda Accord. Hey, you ever had to get your like unlock your car door with a shoelace? No. If I had that hanger, I ain't gonna lie. If I had that hanger, like a metal wire hanger, I could definitely guide the shoelace. I feel like I could guide the shoelace onto the lock, but I need that hanger. All right, y'all. So we got the shoelace into the door. I just talked to Danielle on the phone, and he is gonna come and bring me one of his metal wire hangers, and we're gonna try and use that. We're gonna unravel it, and we're gonna try and use it to just guide the lace to the lock, and that way it's a slip knot, so we can pull on one side, it'll tighten, and then I could pull the lock up and get in the car, man. So we're waiting for him right now. We just got mad food too. Crab legs and shrimp is what we got. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna just try and eat the whole thing. Can you eat the head? I don't know. I think the tail's supposed to come off. I think the skin's supposed to come off too, but I only got one hand. It's scaly. Got the crab legs. I'm gonna throw that back in the bag for later. Yo, my boy came through.
I thought you were recording yourself.
What's going on, man? How you feeling?
I'm alright. So
Yo came through with the hanger.
how'd you lock yourself out though? How'd you lock the car?
My lap maybe, and I just got up and left him on the freaking seat, man. All right, so I got the lace this far. I'm thinking it's a slip knot, so once I get it around the lock, I can tighten it and pull it up. But I just want to use the hanger to guide it onto the lock.
I'm gonna take a little bit of effort.
Oh. Let's see if we can get this in there. Alright.
Yeah, so you're trying to get this in that knot right there? In that hole?
I just want to get the
Oh, I got it.
the knot around the lock. Would you hold the screwdriver?
Yeah.
Just give it a little tension. Okay. Bend this hanger a little.
I'm scared I'm gonna break this window.
Yo, I was scared of that too. Like, what if this window just shatters?
You have to manually lift that lock up, right?
Right. Oh, look at this.
So the hanger right there. I start lowering the laces.
Yo, we about to get it.
A few moments later. 3 hours later. 346 minutes later. The next day.
Stand by.
Right.
Okay.
Just like that.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Is this still okay?
Possibly.
Alright. I'm giving you as much leverage as I can right now.
3 days later.
Oh, did you see that?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to get it lower.
I think we gotta
do that again.
We gotta keep like tugging on it like slightly.
Okay, let me retie it. This is progress. Hello.
Like watching.
So
You guys got it?
no.
I don't think so.
Well, you have the right intention.
Yeah.
You want to take it out?
Look, we got it right on the lock.
You got any tape or anything sticky?
Will that pull the window down?
No, what you do is take this back out,
Okay.
hook it on here, and you're going to hold it real tight. Yeah, you can try again. Or do my old school way. Watch it.
We got some help, y'all.
Used to be an auto
that
mechanic,
a-
fucking leaving keys, closing the door on custom.
Is that an airbag bumper? With some,
Pop it
what
open.
is that, wedge?
You can see
I was
it.
Googling some stuff. These are so close yet so far, y'all.
Where's that hanging?
Try to take the lace off.
You can get it? Yo, drive my car. Just drive my car.
He got it. Oh, okay.
He can't get it. He can't so many times.
For real?
Yeah.
This
I
is
usually
my.
have a better tool. I have the other tool. But now I stopped. I'm not a mechanic anymore. Actually, I gave that a business.
Okay. What do you do now?
I'm an iron worker. Huh?
He says he's professional carjacker.
Yeah, it is. I'm a jack reader. Professional jack. Take it. Just gotta think about it.
Hello. Okay.
He needs some milk.
Man, what the fuck?
Trying to have sex for the first time be like.
Trying to get in the hole? What?
No. Yeah. Yeah, it's off. Slim, would that help? Well, this guy says
Yeah, I don't care.
he's opened a bunch of cars.
We're just fucking around, but if I had the right thing for the 1 second, it could have been. Oh, I got it. I just don't know where I left the fucking other piece to it.
Okay.
See what they say?
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you.
We might have more reinforcements on the way. Okay, we made the knot a little looser.
Oh, let's go.
And it is on a jog. A little more taut.
Give me your number.
I like to help out people because if I be stuck, I want somebody to help me out too. You know what I mean, dog?
I appreciate that a lot,
know?
man. I really do. What's good, puppy?
You don't wanna scratch your car.
This car's a beater.
They're gonna call you right now, puppy. They're gonna call you right
Okay.
now, all right?
All right, cool.
Good luck, bro.
Hey, what's your name?
Joey.
Joey, I appreciate you, Joey.
brother.
Thank you,
All
man.
love,
We
man.
got it.
Oh, he got it, puppy.
No way. You
I
did?
know what to do. Open the door. Huh?
He used to be a mechanic.
I used to be a mechanic and I
Don't
fucking
leave them in the car
Oh
anymore.
my gosh. No.
I left them. You know how many times I've done that, like with a customer talking to you and just slam the door. You would be like, sit there fucking around, opening it. So I'm used to it. It's no big thing.
That was generous.
That shit happens to everybody.
Yo, I appreciate you a
Have
lot,
a great rest of
man.
your day.
I did some good deeds today.
Yes.
Right.
How did he do it? The same way?
He just did it. He just like, he had it pinned. He had like a good angle.
Yeah.
Cause he had like the shoelace here. He had the thing there. He just.
Yo, thank you so much, bro. But yeah, man, we got in the car. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped. There's good people in the world, y'all. There's good people, man. So yeah, we got to go home, and we're gonna go home, and we got some editing to do. So I will see y'all later. Y'all, look at that rainbow.
I did some good deeds today.